Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. It's Friday. Hope your week has been good. I have a box of Happy Mail that I received from my friend Jean. I received a couple of boxes actually the other day, and I really wanted to come and share. I can only do one at a time. So let's just get into it, okay? I've been really excited to get through it and open it, and so I'll just take a couple things out at first here, and then I'm just going to leave it at the side. Well, I need a little more room, so maybe I'll stick it on my lap. All right, so we have this little envelope of ephemera, it looks like. Oh, some Christmas goodness. I'll leave Jean's links in the description. She does have a YouTube. So these are Tim Holtz Christmas. It's kind of shadowy here, so I'm really hoping that you can see stuff. There's the Santa. Love these ephemera bits. They are so fun, and they're going to be great. We're going to be starting Christmas soon, so oh, love that. Candy cane, Christmas tree ornaments. Those are great for putting family portraits in, and so those are lovely. And the bell, a little bit bigger of a bell. Season's greetings. And those, oh, I really like this Santa. He's always been a favorite. Oh yeah, see that? So that can go right in like this. So if you have a picture of your family, you can just pop it in behind there. That would be wonderful. Oops, a bunch of other little bits. Sweet little angel sticker. Postcard, that could be a lovely postcard. Welcome sunshine in the Alleghenies. And then this Christmas greetings. Those are lovely. Jean and I correspond on a regular basis, and I look forward to our little chats. These are all different flowers. I'm not going to open it up, but just beautiful flowers that we can use in our crafts. So what should I do here? I'm just going to stack stuff over there for now. Oh, this beautiful lace. Look at this. Looks like a table runner, but it can be used for, all of our projects. Journal covers, journal pages. You can cut it and use it as trims, pockets, whatever you'd like to do with it. And then this pretty fabric. Oh, this is lovely. I think I might have a plan for this one right now. I've decided to do the Defemeramber. I think I said it right. It's a hard tongue twister to get around, but I'm going to be doing that. And I had done a journal cover, but then I changed my mind, and now I'm doing a different cover. So I'm just gonna take this stuff out. Oh my goodness, Jean, you sure stuffed this box. Oh, and oh my gosh, all the Tim Holtz yumminess that's in here. All right, I'm gonna set it down. My lap was not a very good idea, so let's open up. I love how you've packaged everything. Just so beautiful. And these packages can be used in our crafts as well. Oh, look at that. She added sweet little flower to it. And I know you've made those, so how fun. Oh, look at this. It's a pin. Isn't that beautiful? How clever. I love that. And there's another fabric flower, all the different layers of different fabrics, and then a button sewn in the center. That is so beautiful. And then the little bag here. Oh, let's do these first. Simplify. Jean loves Tim Holtz product almost as much as I do. Okay, let's get into here. Oh, and look at the bag. I love this. And the fact that you added her on the front there with the cluster is so beautiful. And then the tab at the top. And this sweet little journal. Oh my goodness, look at all these. Coffee or tea dyed paper. Little vellum piece. Oh, it's going to be fun to fill this little beauty. Some music paper. Oh, I really like this, Jean. And then a pocket in the back. And look at the sweet cover. Oh, and there's a little tuck spot right there as well. Oh, that's beautiful, Jean. And that's just a little note from her, which I'll read later. Oh boy. It's a ribbon, gross grain ribbon. Very pretty. It's got strawberries on it. And then with the little roses. Oh, that is lovely. And all kinds of little bits here. Oh, yeah. These are always used either on a cover, or I use them on journal cards, pages. Some ribbon here. Oh, that's so pretty. The design inside. I'm not sure. Hopefully you can see that. I didn't pull it all apart, but just the design that's in there. Oh, and some things that you've made. Gorgeous. Love this. That could be a bookmark. Can use it as a tuck spot. And that can be on the edge of a page. Oh yeah, these are beautiful. Beautiful bits. And they'll all get used eventually, right? Nice little lace there. And then, oh, some frou-frou eyelash trim. Love the colors. Oh, yeah, so soft. And then a handkerchief. Did you make this one yourself, Jean? I'd like to know that. It looks like you did it yourself. It's beautiful. All right. And then some lovely stamps. Handmade with love. Those are very pretty and so fun to use. I love stamping, as most of you know. This is a Delusions journal. So if I remember correctly, nice big pocket in there for stuff. It can be for water, ink, paint. So this is going to be fun to use. Yeah, I love this. Thank you so much, Jean. Set that there. Oh, and then we have salvaged tags. Oh, and these things, I've never had stuff like this before from him, like his tags and things. So these are going to be so much fun to use. And this is Layers, Urban Layers. We'll have to do a project together, Jean, you and I. with our Tim Holtz stuff, whether it's a journal or do up an ephemera pack or something. You let me know if you like that idea. I just think that would be so fun. But there's so many things in here. This is incredible. Look at these. My mind is just going. Can you imagine? Those of you that know me know about how much I like Tim Holtz product. Just amazing. Do you think I can get it all back in? I probably shouldn't have taken it all out, but I really wanted to look at it. We could be here all day looking at every little tiny thing, but I'll be good and I won't open them all. Oh, Jean, thank you so much. This is just like Christmas in October. And these, I've been intrigued by these. These are the large collage strips, Halloween, and it says 2024 bit. So these are wonderful. I mean, they can be used on your projects. You can pop them into a journal. If you can cut the pieces, you can add them into little frames. Oh my goodness, like look at those kids. And what I like is that they're not really Halloween-y. Is that a word? Like there's bugs and there's a skeleton and stuff like that, but it doesn't scream scary to me. So yeah, those are beautiful. Thank you, Jean. Oh my. And what's awesome about all of the packaging is it can all be used. All the bits of packaging can be used. So let's get into here. Love your flower on there. That is so scrumptious. Look at that. And then her, oh, she's darling. Oh, and then an ATC card. Oh, fall in love with as many things as possible. And she says it's ATC 1 of 1, October 4th, 24. That's lovely. Thank you for signing it as well. And then, oh, it's paper. Paper. Different little papers that can be written on. You can just write little notes on the backs, slip it into a pocket of a journal. And then this little bit here, some nice journaling cards. Love that. Live, create, tell a story. Nice writing on the back. And then this fella here, love this trim. Oh, and she put a red bow tie on him. Isn't that precious? And then writing spot at the back. A little pocket, oh, with your flowers. Love that. It's the little things that make life big. So cute. Oh, these are wonderful. Thank you, Jean. I watched you make these. So, and then the beautiful flower. And these are Jean's digitals from her coffee page as well. She's got them there. And then this is sweet tiny tags. Oh, those are going to be fun to play with. Thank you, Jean. All right, I'm just going to grab up a bunch more. Holy moly. All right, we have some mica sprays. I love these colors. I've been sort of playing around. I have 3 different colors, but these are beautiful. Antiqued bronze, brushed pewter, and tarnished brass. Lovely. And then chipped sapphire, aged mahogany. And I think this is the one I had been searching for. So Jean was very kind and sent me one of those. And then this is, it's a Tombow marker. It must be a marker. It's showing that it's a brush marker. So that is awesome. Oh, and then we have some stickles. Different stickles, different colors. Love all the colors. Gorgeous. Love the oranges. And then these paper doll poses. And these ones have houses with them. So let me just take out a couple of the houses. So look at these. So how fun is it going to be to use the dolls with these houses? And I think like little bits of it come out. Like this just shows on the porch there, the window part. This one as well at the end. I'm just taking them out so you can see what they look like. And this one is solid. So it's going to be so much fun. Yep, they're great. Yeah, I watched Jean do a live on her channel. She does lives now as well as her other videos, and it's just fun to watch. All right, so now I'm going to pop this here because the back and forth, up and down. And now these are the collage strips. These are the little guys, but they are so cute. I won't open up that one. And then here we have the montage layered frames. There's so many. And I love that the creators left all of the threads. Like, how wonderful to have those threads. I know a lot of people don't like the hanging threads, but I do. So, yeah, these are just gorgeous. I think there's 3 different sizes, 2 different sizes, 3 different sizes, yeah. But look at that one, how fun. Put a portrait in behind there, so those are gonna get, they're gonna get some good use. I have so many projects in my head now. I need to finish up the ones I've got on the go now before I can start anything new. What's this? Oh, this is a vignette box. Oh, this is awesome. Excuse the noise. I'll just set it down there. Vignette divider drawer. So what a great way to do little scenes in each box. I don't know if you can see the picture there, but it shows 3 different scenes there. So cute. That's just great. Got some inks here. Let's just grab up these inks. So we have Distress Spritzes, Pickled Raspberry, Wilted Violet. Oh my goodness, yummy colors. Fossilized Amber and Peeled Paint. Like, oh, those are scrumptious colors. And then we have the Bundled Sage and Dried Marigold. Oh, those are beautiful colors. And then there's some washi tape. Oh, it is so pretty. Let's see if I can get into it without too much difficulty. Just push it out. Oh, there. Oh, stunning flowers. Let's see if I can undo it. I see the little arrow there. 2 little arrows, but I won't untie it. but it has all these gorgeous, yummy flowers on there. And then these, what are these little beauties? They look like little bags. Small size. Yeah, I think they're little bags. Take out one. Oh, they are. Oh, how fun. They're little bags with the orange and white flowers. Oh, those are cute. Thank you so much, Jean. And then here we have volume 2 of snapshots. So these pictures would be really beautiful in those frames, or you use your own photos, right? Oh my goodness, look at them. Having a birthday party. Oh, there's one of the houses right there. Sure looks like it anyway. Gorgeous, but all kinds of pictures to play with. Oh, look at him. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you so much, Jean. I'll set that. I think I'm set for Tim Holtz right now. So this is ephemera pack. It's called Palette. Oh. This must be new. I've never seen it before. 2023. Yeah, I've never seen it before. I won't take everything out because it'll be crazy trying to get everything back in. I'll just grab up a couple of these bigger pieces at the back and we'll just have a look. Sweet little puppy. Lots of ephemera, there's so much potential in these ephemera packs. Whether it's Tim Holtz or anybody else, there's always potential. So numbers and words, I like those. Yeah, it's just nice to see some of the stuff that's in the pack. I just don't want to show you the packages, you know? It's nice to see some of what's inside. Oh, that's a fun card. And that's beautiful. And this. So, thank you. Just pop it back in. There's a little frame in there too, I just saw. Okay, so I'm going to take the last little bit here so that I can show you. Leave that aside. Look at the fabric she had it all sitting on. Oh, it's horses. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And then you got the dogs at the right there as well. But the horses, I love this scene. So beautiful. Thank you, Jean, for this as well. I can't wait for her to get her mail. So it's going to be so fun. And these are organic layers. So there's birds and flowers, and let's take this one apart too. Love the flowers. Oh, sweet little nest. That is cute. The leaves, another nest a little bigger. And these make great tuck spots because they're not a thin piece of ephemera. So it's very easy to tuck in something. Fun egg. And there's another one. And then the birds. The birds are darling. Yeah. Yep, so lots of flowers and birds. Oh, he's cute. Dragonfly. And then we have the words, handle with care, and then all the ephemera bits as well. Nice tuck spot. Toss that in a pocket. There's another little tuck spot. Just beautiful bits. Oh, that's fun. The sky and the clouds. An old library card. And then the bird cards, tea cards. And then these, something else here. Yep, encyclopedia. So those are fun. Okay, and then, oops, it's coming out. Get back in there. This is worn wallpaper scraps. Lovely colors. You got flowers with them. No, is this? It's a puzzle to open, right? Come on, Brenda. Figure it out. Doesn't want me to open it. All right, well, you know what? I'm going to just slit the top. Why not? Just easier than fighting with it. All these little bits. Oh, look at the color. The colors are amazing. Like a pastel bunch of loveliness. All these flowers, beautiful size. The texture of them is so wonderful. Just like wallpaper. There. Oh, those are pretty flowers. Oh, these are going to be so fun to use. And the big yellow ones. And then the wallpaper. Let's just look at the wallpaper. So we have this. And then there's this. That's really nice. Tom went out for coffee with his brother this morning, so I have the house to myself. So it's been kind of nice. And I can get this video done, and then there's that. This is so pretty. And then there's this one. Love that. So I hope you'll go check Jean out. She, for her inspiration and for stuff, I do always have her in my description under my more inspiration. There's so many people that I would like to put on that list, but I don't. Otherwise, that's all it would ever be, is other people. But I just like to feature people, and because they inspire me. Oh, this is a beautiful page. Love that. Made in England. And then there's this one. And then these two. Oh my goodness, Jean. Thank you so much for everything. I'm just blown away by it all. And I so appreciate you. I thank you for your friendship, and thank you for your generosity in sharing all of this beauty with me. So let me know, Jean, if you want to do a project together using some Tim Holtz product, and or whatever else. Maybe you just want to do a craft together, and we can each do them on our channel, and I can't fit everything in, so I'll just fit this stuff in here just like that. All right, questions, comments, please leave them below. Thanks again, Jean. I am so humbled and so grateful for for all of this stuff, and I'm just going to have some fun playing. All right, God bless. Have a beautiful weekend. Take care. Bye for now.